Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you a very simple project inside your Puppeteer library inside Node.js and Express. So basically let me show you the project here. It will basically take the screenshot of the web page and it will automatically upload that screenshot to Cloudinary. Cloudinary is basically a very popular website, guys, similar to Google Drive. It basically stores all your media files and all the photographs, PDF documents. So it's specifically for images. You will see you can perform any sort of transformations on the images. So this is my Cloudinary account here. You can see this is a media library. Currently it is empty right here. No images are present right here. So this is my application. So here I have this input field. So here I can take the screenshot of the web page and click on upload screenshot to Cloudinary. So I need to fill out this field here. So I will need to basically write the URL here, HTTPS. Let me write procodestore.com. This is my website here. Click on upload screenshot. So basically it will take the screenshot on the background using the Puppeteer library. It will take some time. So you can see it is taking the screenshot. After it successfully completes, it will show the screenshot, guys. You can see this is the screenshot information, which is uh, you can see it is released by Cloudinary. This is the JSON response we get, and this is the property we are executing it, which is a secure URL. And this image is successfully uploaded on Cloudinary. You can see now if I click open image in new tab, this is the address here of Cloudinary. This image is successfully uploaded. You can see it has taken the screenshot of this website here, which is called as procodestore.com. This is my own website here. So Puppeteer explicitly gone to this URL, taken the screenshot, and basically it has uploaded to Cloudinary. If I check the Cloudinary console account, guys, if I refresh it, basically you will see that this screenshot will be uploaded inside this Cloudinary account here. You will now see this is a screenshot here. Basically, if I open this screenshot, you will now see this is a screenshot which is there. Basically, there is options here. You can download this image onto your computer. You will see that this is the actual screenshot taken by Puppeteer library and successfully uploaded to Cloudinary. So if I just told you guys about Cloudinary, basically it's a image sharing website. It's basically provides you, it's a SaaS based technology company. You can see that it basically performs a lot of transformations upon the uploaded image. So it's a tremendous kinds of a website here. You should definitely invest time in it. So now we will make this project from scratch, how basically we can take the screenshot using the Puppeteer library and able to upload this image onto the Cloudinary website using their API. So you can follow my step-by-step blog post, guys, that I have written in the description of this live stream. So if you go to the description of this live stream, you will find out my blog post link. So here you will find out the step-by-step instruction on how to build this application, and also you will find out all the source code. This is all the source code which is there here, and I have explained each instruction in detail. So let's start building this application from scratch. So we will delete all the source code and start from scratch. And basically let me show you which files we have. Dependencies are needed for this. You need first of all the Cloudinary dependency, guys. It's specifically there for Node.js applications. It's an npm JS package. Then we were using EJS dependency, embedded JavaScript templates. We are using the Express library and the Puppeteer library. These four commands you need to execute. Simply go to your command line and simply npm express. Just write this EJS, Puppeteer, and Cloudinary. These are the four packages you will need for this project. So simply install this, and now we will write our basic express.js application. So right here we will first of all import our express dependency. We will require this package, and then we will be making a new express app, guys, and basically we will be starting this app on 5000 port number. We will simply say that app is listening on port 5000. So you will see that. And also we need to import our Cloudinary dependency, guys. So we need to require this Cloudinary dependency. And for building this application, guys, we will be needing the body parser middleware. So just include this body parser middleware as well. Now we need to also include its two middleware functions, which are body parser URL encoded extended to false, and also body parser JSON. Just include this. And also guys, for taking the screenshot, we also need the Puppeteer package, which is basically a web scraping library inside Node.js, specifically Puppeteer. And now we also need to set the view engine guys, which is using app.set view engine. And here we will pass our EJS template engine like this. So now we can simply make a get request to the home route guys. So whenever we open the home page, we need to load a template which is called as index.ejs. So we will simply say response.render index without the extension. So now inside the root directory, we just need to make the views folder. Inside this, we just need to make index.ejs file. So right here guys, we just need to copy paste the HTML, and here we will say that screenshot upload to Cloudinary in Node.js and Express. And now guys, inside this we will have a simple form element. The action will go to the slash upload, and here the method will be post. And inside this guys, we will have input type text, and here you can enter your URL. So we need to give it a name attribute. So this is very important, URL. So here placeholder, we will simply be saying that enter website URL. So basically it is required. And then we will have a simple button guys. So input type submit, and here we will say that upload screenshot to Cloudinary. This is the label of the button guys. So now if I open this application guys in the browser, you will now see there will be a simple input form out there which will say enter website URL. Here you can enter any website and click on upload screenshot. Now we need to make this post request guys, which basically executes whenever you submit your form. So app.post upload. So basically guys, first of all, we need to take the photograph. So we need to first of all get the URL which the user has entered by using request.body. The name attribute which we have given, which is URL inside index.ejs. You will see that this name attribute, this is really important. You need to give this attribute. After this guys, we will execute basically our functions in order to take the screenshot. So we will be making a custom function which is take screenshot, and here we will pass the URL to this function. So now this function will return a promise guys. So this screenshot will be there. This is the actual PNG image data which the Puppeteer library will take, and then we will upload this screenshot to the Cloudinary library. We will pass the screenshot here like this. This will again return a promise guys. We will handle this promise by dot, then we will get the result like this, and inside the result we will simply console log it. So now we need to define these two methods guys. First of all, we need to take the screenshot, and then we need to upload the screenshot. So right here, this will be a async function, take screenshot, and here we will pass the URL to this. So inside this guys, here first of all we need to initialize our Puppeteer browser. So we need to open the, we can use await keyword because this is the async function, and here we will be launching the Puppeteer library here, and here we need to pass some options. So first is default viewport. This is an object. We need to pass the width of it to 800 of the window. Height will also be 800, and is landscape guys is true. So we need to take the picture in a landscape mode, not in a portrait. I think portrait is also supported. If you say, sorry, is landscape is only supported. And then we need to take the screenshot of a page. So we will initialize the page guys. So he will say that we need to open a new page. So we can do that using Puppeteer using new page. So this will open a new page inside your browser. And now we need to type the address in the address bar. So we can use to go to method here, and inside this we will pass the URL that is passed. And here we will need to pass your object which is wait until is equal to network idle 2. So basically it will add some delay whenever you add the URL and then press enter, it will add some delay. And now we need to take the screenshot guys. So now to take the screenshot, we will again use the screenshot method of the Puppeteer library. This will actually take the screenshot of the web page and whichever URL that you have passed. And this basically take some object, guys. Two properties we need to pass. First is the omit background. If you want to omit the background, guys, you can put here true. If you don't want to, you can say false. I need to omit the background, and then we need to encode this image to binary data. So we can say that either you can encode to base 64 or binary. I will choose binary here. Binary images quality are good as compared to base 64. After taking the screenshot, guys, we will close the browser by using the close method, and then we will simply return the binary data of this image, which is screenshot like this. That's all that you need to do for this method, guys. Now it will be returned inside the screenshot variable, and now we will write this function, which is upload screenshot, which will upload this binary image to the Cloudinary API. So here you need to write this function, guys, which is called as upload screenshot, and here we will get the screenshot like this. And now proceeding, uh, we need to first of all get some information, important information about Cloudinary. So if you see Cloudinary, if you just need to create some account, guys, it's a free website. And if you go to the dashboard after you create your account, you will get your cloud name, API key, and API secret. So all these three things will be different for you. So don't copy my information. So my cloud name is coding Shiksha, API key is this, and API secret is this. So now to set up this information, guys, we need to write some code here at the very top. So this is really important if you want to set up Cloudinary. After you do this, there is a method out there inside this package which is called as config. So inside this, you need to pass these three informations. First is cloud name, cloud underscore name. Then we need to pass our API underscore key. And then we need to pass the API underscore secret. So these three things you can get it from the dashboard. This is my cloud name, which is coding Shiksha. So this will be different for you. API key. And this is a secret. So I will just paste it here. So this is three things we have said now, guys. Now we can successfully upload the screenshot to the Cloudinary website. So right here inside this method, guys, basically this function will return a promise, new promise. And inside this promise, guys, we will have two variables. Either you can resolve or reject the promise. And here, first of all, we will have cloud options, which will be an empty object. We don't need to provide any options. We simply need to upload this image. So Cloudinary uploader, and there is a method out there which is called as upload stream. Basically, it takes the binary input, binary image, upload in options, and basically this is empty object. And the second variable is a callback function, guys, which is error and result. So inside this callback function, guys, we need to check if any sort of error take place. We just need to reject and pass this error. If no error take place, we just need to upload this image to Cloudinary, and else we will say resolve the promise, and here resolve it, and here we will pass the result, and that's it. And here we need to call the end method, guys, and here we need to pass the screenshot. So whichever image that you want to upload to Cloudinary, that's it. So this is all that you need to do, guys. Basically, after this, it will return this JSON response in the result variable. Now, if I reload the application and try to submit a URL, and if I click the submit button, let's suppose if I write this URL, click on upload screenshot, it will take some time. It will take the screenshot using the Puppeteer library first, and then it will upload it to Cloudinary, and then it will return the information in a JSON response. So just wait after it completes. Let me start it once again. I think it is. Let me see in the inspect element if any sort of error take place. I think I have misspelled something here. If uh, I think I have misspelled something here. So what I will do is that I will not waste your time. So the full source code is given, guys, in the description of this video. At the bottom, you will see that step-by-step instruction is given. So what I will say, I will simply copy this code here, paste it. So this is my information here, and now if I try to do this, if I write the URL, click on upload screenshot, so you can see that you can see, guys, this information is returned to us in the JSON response here. Now we simply need to display this image, uploaded image in the browser. So we can use this secure URL property, guys. You can see it's Cloudinary property here. This contains the secure URL of the uploaded image to Cloudinary. If you check the dashboard here, guys, if I go to media library, you will see this will taken this screenshot. You can see this has taken the screenshot. This is the URL of the uploaded image. So now to show this inside our template, we will simply we will re-render the template here by using response.render index, and we will pass this information to this EJS template engine, which is the second argument. We will pass a object result is equal to result. So whenever we load the page for the very first time, this result will be empty. So we just need to write like this: result is empty. So now we just need to go to index.ejs file. Right after this, we will put a if block here. We will check if result is defined or not. If it is defined, we will simply close this inside the syntax. We will have an image tag inside. We will dynamically put this variable, which is result.secure underscore URL. We will close the image tag. That's it. So here you can see we are comparing it. If the result variable is set, then we just need to display the uploaded image URL inside this image tag. That's it. So now if you take an example, let's suppose of a different website. Let me take face https facebook.com. Click on take screenshot and upload to Cloudinary, and it will basically take some time. It will take the screenshot, upload to Cloudinary, and it will return the image URL, and it will display this inside your. So you can see facebook.com is written here. It is just taking some time. We just need to refresh. Sometimes it can. Sometimes it can take some time, guys. Puppeteer library. So it's a very tremendous library, but sometimes it can take some time. You can see it has uploaded this image. If you see inside, if you check here inside your Cloudinary dashboard, so you can see this is the Facebook image here. It has successfully uploaded this image. You can see this is the URL. You can open this image in a new tab. You can see that. So with the help of this script, guys, that I have given you, you can basically take any screenshot of the web page and upload it to Cloudinary. This is a very simple application. You can go to the description of this video to get all the source code. And please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.